gonna be a sandwich. Alright, so I am going to make an improv sandwich. We are extremely hungry and don't want to cook much. We didn't take any proteins out, and I think we're too hungry for a salad, so it's gonna be a sandwich. I just pulled some random ingredients from out of the fridge and little leftovers here and there. I don't know if you follow us on Instagram yet, but we made a cane sugar syrup or spicy cane sugar syrup, and then these were the remaining actual chiles that I had, and I haven't used it since then, but now they're kind of preserved because they're coated in that sugar. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this. This is chopped basil.
What would you use instead of that if you don't have that?
I would probably use just regular chiles and then add a little bit of honey. Same thing. It's just that these have been cooked in the sugar per se. So I think it's gonna give it a really nice, different flavor. Actually intrigued to taste that a little bit to see if it's still spicy. Why not? And if it is, then it's gonna be really, really spicy. It's definitely still spicy. How do you feel about that? No, it's spicy, but it's sweet, so it's really good.
What is this?
The idea behind this is making somewhat a pesto-ish oil. The thing is that I don't want to dirty too much equipment, so I am just going to chop everything roughly, then throw the oil in there and use it as a, I guess, spread for our sandwich. I just wanted like a different flavor profile, and oh yeah, just something still simple to throw in there, mix.
So that's
This is basil and the chilies, which had the cane sugar in it. And now I'm gonna do a little bit of pickles, just because now I have sweet.
These are not pickles.
Well, they're pickled radishes. I have sweet and I guess sweet, spicy, and then this is some sour. Just a little bit of everything to balance it all out. By the way, I have no idea what this is gonna taste like. Just seems like a good idea. Salt, big salt, and fresh ground pepper. Mix it around. I'll see what it looks like. I don't know. Maybe trying to paste it out a little. See how it kind of disappears ish. And now I have that sugar into my mix, and it smells so good.
Artist, made for creators.
Sick. That's really good. I'm very happy with the results.
Alright, we're back.
Alright, so this is sizzling a little bit. I'm gonna add setting number 2. There it is. It's gonna be super fast because we're hungry, and because the camera is running out of battery. So
Yep. just noticed.
It's gonna be cheese, prosciutto. This gorgeous mix on top. I'm gonna do a little bit of arugula. A bagel, if you haven't heard of them, please do. Amazing. Instead of using plastic wrap or plastic
It's
baggies.
a big sweat beeswax. How do you say it? Type of wrapping. It's kind of sticky and thick. It's like tacky. And you can turn it into anything. You can shape it into the shape of whatever you're putting away, like a lime or onions or anything. Or we make these little bags for the greens, and it makes them last way longer.
Back to sandwich.
Back to sandwich. Some arugula. And hit it. There it is.